In Georgia, a working air conditioning system isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. And when it stops working, it's not just uncomfortable, it's a real problem. At Team Ryan Automotive, we fix air conditioning issues every day. Most problems come down to a few root causes: a refrigerant leak, a failing compressor, an electrical issue, and sometimes more than one at the same time. Our job isn't to guess or just top it off and send you on your way. Our job is to find the actual root cause of failure and fix it the right way. We use professional diagnostic equipment to test the system, verify refrigerant levels, and identify leaks, including the ones you can't see with the naked eye. That way, the repair is based on facts, not assumptions. When we're finished, your system is fully tested, clearly documented, and backed by our lifetime warranty on most AC repairs, so you can drive away confident that it's done right. If your AC system isn't keeping up, choose a shop that focuses on diagnostics first. Schedule your AC service today with Team Ryan Automotive.